Archana Flowers Surat, daughter of this company's owner, Mr. Suresh Tumar. We are artificial flowers wholesaler and manufacturer located in Surat, Gujarat, and we provide the best quality of the artificial flowers. I think decorative flowers are never expensive to the all weddings and events, so we provide the best quality of the artificial flowers. Our key strategies for a successful business is providing every time something new where the quality counts. Our company is growing each and every year with some new and unique ideas. Now we have a 3,000 plus satisfied customer who are satisfied with our quality and our work. And in this era of the competitive marketing, we are still standing with providing the quality item to our customer. I would like to thank the Prabhu sir and its team by organizing this such a great expo every year. Every year they are putting lots of effort for doing this expo very wide and very high. Thank you for doing such a great expo every year. Thank you.